Yo, what's up? We are performing in Hollywood. Hollywood. Pagkagano. Tapos, hi everyone, today is August 9, 2026. This is the part 2 of our vlog today. Dahil masyado nang mahaba yung vlog natin kanina umaga. At ayun nga, ngayon ay sasayaw tayo dun sa multicultural fashion show. Late na ako. Ang call time is 5 p.m. at ang oras ay 6:14 na. At magsasayaw kami ay 7:05. Possible mapaga or malate yung sayaw. Kakatapos ko lang kumain. Ito si Myrtle. Yan. Nag-ano siya ng malunggay para sa munggo. At ito nga ay gaganapin dun sa Marriott Hotel. Sa ballroom area nila. Mag-intermission lang kami dun guys. Hindi ko alam kung ano nang meron dun ngayon. Pero let's go na. Talagang late na guys. Lagot tayo kay Ate Mikay. Lagot. Let's go na. Bye-bye. I'm gonna una na. I love you. Thank you.
Ingat.
Sasayo na naman. Let's go guys. Bye-bye.
Ingat.
Guys, 6:31 na. 30 minutes na lang magpe-perform na kami. Grabe, mukhang maraming tao guys. Ayan, dami lang sasakyan. Hampton. Ito yung Marriott. Ay, habol tayo, habol. Ah. Hi tita.
Hello.
Hello. How are you? Zumba yan yan, charity pa. Good evening po. Wala akong ticket.
Pwede ka na pumasok.
Idol! Pa-picture!
Hi, vlog.
Hi vlog ni RB.
Yan.
Good luck po. Sana successful yung event.
Magiging success yan. Ikaw talaga. Ay, ayun na si Ate Kay. Hi Ate Kay. I'm vlogging. Ngalag sa vlog. Ito talaga. Dang. Uy! Wow.
Uy.
Parang... Kuya. Wow. Ayos. May bar pa dito. Parapol. Oh. Ready na, ready. Kasali ka? Ayoko dyan, madaming people.
Mga model.
Lalabay. May avocado pa dito. Avocado ba to? Oo, sa loob. Ah, durian ba? Guyabano, tamo walang tumama. Durian, kay ate, guyabano naman. Ano ba talaga? Silipin natin tong box. Ay, hindi tayo pwede dito sa backstage. Si Ate Princess nga pala. Hi. Magmamodel ka din?
Yes.
Dami ako, iba't ibang lahi. Ayun, pwede tayong umupo. Daming tao guys. Unang-una daw kami magpe-perform. Ay! Oh bro. Vlog ako ngayon. Ano pangalan mo bro? Adam? Taga saan ka bro?
Taga Baguio.
Uy, taga Baguio pala. Parang nakita na kita. One time. Hindi ko lang maalala kung saan.
Hindi ako yun. Nakakalimutan ko yun.
May nakilala tayo si bro Adam. Yan. Magkano ka magmamodel ka? Ayos bro. Ganda exposure yan. Sige bro, salamat. Zumbanian Multicultural Fashion Show. Hindi ko na alam. Yan, makakagalaw na ako. Pwede yan. Pwede pala yun. Wala nga yung ganyan ko. Yo, what's up? We are performing in Hollywood. Guys, tingnan nyo si Eman.
Nakakaraptap po. Bikini pa.
Pagtaas mo ng ganyan, kitang-kita na naman yan.
Tayo nyo muna ako.
Meron. Tinatanong ako guys kung may hairpin ako. Ito, baka ano to, pasto para dun. Pasto para sa likod. Pag may ganito ako, makapasok ako kung saan-saan.
Ano ka na?
Director. Instant director. Yan. Walang fruit. Perfect. Sarap. Ganda ng design. That's purely architecture. Wow. Titingnan ko kung paano ka pagtilian ng mga babae. Heartthrob daw to, yung isang to eh. Sa mga practice, heartthrob daw to eh.
Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog.
This is Hannah.
Welcome to my guys.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
This is Satin.
For today's
Yeah.
video, we're doing nothing.
Ready na po.
1, 2, 3.
Parang timang.
Ready ka na bro? Saan ka na ito pwede ba? Hanggang na tayo dito. Good luck, good luck. What is your height?
I'm not tall.
Wow.
I was about 6'5" when I was 20 years old.
I'm just 5'3".
Oh, I'm short or tall now.
Yeah, that's right.
Confidence is key.
Confidence is key.
Hi, bud.
Good evening, everyone. To welcome you all to our multicultural fashion show event in different countries. And carrying plan today.
Kulang pa tayo sa costume. Paano?
Wala ka ba?
Across nations, generations.
Last sayaw nitong
This year.
piyesa.
Yeah.
Hindi, itong piyesa.
All this dance, yeah.
Where tradition. One more. Are you ready?
Parang iting-iting yung kabado na to.
Come alive. Welcome to the
Zumbayanihan, Cayman Islands, NPO 705, was founded with a simple yet meaningful mission: to unite the community through health, culture, volunteerism, and compassion. VO. Community donation drives, donating first aid kits to Prospect Primary School and John A. Cumber Primary School, community we call home.
Sofa Yandian Festival Dancers.
Good luck, good luck, good luck.
Bye, thank you.
Sure, good job.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Good job, good job.
Thanks man, thank you. Yun guys, nakatapos na mag-sayo. Grabe, sakit sa paa. Tara, manood na tayo. Let's go. Galingan mo bro, ibigyan ko ng mga rampa-rampa mo dun.
I learned everything from him. Sa'yo, nung
Hindi
kahapon.
talaga.
Sige, sapal nga.
Formal attire yan, kaya ano. Wait lang, yung volume. Ay, sadya pala yan. Ano lang bro, mabagal. Kasi formal attire. Yan! Fierce! Yun o! Okay na yan.
I got my head in the clouds so high, feet on the ground, but I still get by. Rules were made for someone else to try, but not me, not me. They say slow down, son, take your time, but I was born running every stop sign. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight. Every doubt just feeds a flame. Every scar reminds me why I came. I've been broke, I've been blessed, carry faith in an empty chest till now. The stars are down like good old friends, saying, boy, don't stop where the sky just ends. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight.
Ayun guys, kakauwi ko lang. At ayun, after nung rampa ni na Eman, saktong nalobat yung bone ko. Sobrang nakaka-enjoy yung event na yun. Sana nakapag-stay pa ako, kaya lang hindi sobrang sakit na ng ulo. Kasali talaga ako dapat dun sa fashion show. Kaso, tumanggi nga ako kay ate kasi nawala na yung passion ko sa fashion. Nawala na yung passion ko sa pagrampa, ganun. Dati kasi nagmo-modeling pa ako, model. Alam mo ba yun, babe? Na model ako dati.
Oo, nakita ko yung pictures mo.
Hindi, model ako ng Tide.
Uy! No! Anong tide?
Tide?
Ay, tide bro.
Gusto ko lang batiin si Ate Kai kung mapanood mo to. Congratulations sa buong Sumbayanihan family, sa lahat ng mga nasa likod nitong event na to. Congratulations po sa inyo, napakagaling nyo, grabe, sobrang successful ng event. Alright, dito na rin natin tatapusin tong vlog natin for the day, guys. I hope nag-enjoy kayo. See you again next vlog. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat and God bless.